What it do, C fam? It's your boy C1. We back at it with another light video, man. Look, today, y'all, it's my first time ever going to a Colorado car meet, man. Car meet hosted by Free Smoke, dog. They out here, man. That's a car group, bro. They got some cars out here, man. All right, they got some cars out here, y'all. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. I hope y'all enjoy all the content, man, because look, I'm trying to bring y'all some car content. I'm trying to get out, I'm trying to do all that, you hear me? So look, without further ado, let's get to the video, man. Just checking out the whips, you hear me? Checking out the whips, man. Stinger GT, Mustang. What's going on, fella? ATVs. Got all kinds. Oh, for real, you did?
So I'm waiting for him to answer that.
Yeah, he'll say something crazy. Watch, he'll say something. I know he is.
He asked me too last night. He's like, "Did you see that white red eye?" And I was like, "Yeah."
It's all good for sure. It's all good. Fuck with it. I fuck with it, man. Oh yeah, come on, man. People out there, y'all, they already like the car, man. They already like the car, man. So I'm just. Oh, hold on. Go ahead, bro. I ain't trying to goddamn. Yeah, I'm gonna just take a walk around, man. Yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. The car scene is definitely better out here in Colorado than it is in goddamn Hawaii, bro. That's on everything, y'all. Boy, finna go back by the red eye, man. I don't know. Hold on. Let me get out the way. Get out the way, man. I don't wanna block nobody off. Get out the way, man. Yeah, the car scene out there is definitely way better. Oh, you about to swing that bitch. Oh, you finna tip that thing over. He about tipped that bit over.
I believe that's an embarrassment, bro.
Oh yeah, we got the red eye out here, man. Them boys said, look, man, you need to do a burnout. You need to go sideways. I say, first of all, look, my car, bro, it costs too much to be trying to go sideways. The most I'd probably do, y'all, is a burnout. All right, my tires still look good in the back. You know what I'm saying? Them things still got some meat on them. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, I don't think you boy see Will gonna be sliding out, man. Y'all see them tire marks and all that? Yeah, it's like some Too Fast, Too Furious type stuff, C-Fam. I'm telling y'all, the car scene out here in Colorado, y'all, is much better than the car scene in Hawaii by far. Like, we ain't do no Too Fast, Too Furious type meetup stuff like this. As soon as we see the cops, it looked like the goddamn Too Fast, Too Furious part. Like, whenever all the cars that scrambled out the garage and stuff, the real ones know. But yeah, man, like, we out here, man. You know, I done met a couple cool people already, you know. So yeah, I really vibe with Colorado, man. Colorado lit, man, on me. Got a Mustang, about to try to swing that. That's a Shelby too, boy. Boy's trying to swing something. Hellcat just went crazy, man.
I'd fucking cry so hard.
Hell yeah. Jesus Christ. Yeah, Hellcat just went crazy just now, man. Out here, man. Even on the ATVs, man. ATVs, swinging. I tell y'all, bro, this whole parking lot is packed with cars, y'all. Even in damn street, bro. That's how you know Colorado car scene is crazy, bro. Even in the street. Got cars over here, cars across the street. Man, Colorado lit, man. I'm telling y'all. They even bought the damn ATVs out on a damn trailer, on a truck. Colorado lit, man. It's going crazy out here, man. Oh yeah, come on, man. We out here. Look, second spot, man. It's gonna go stupid out here. They going crazy out here, man. Oh boy, yes sir. All right, bet, for sure. Yeah, man. So they finna go to the backside, I guess they said. So it's about to go to the backside, man. Just had to come out. Yeah, I'm gonna follow everybody, man. Shit, you know, Too Fast, Too Furious type out here, man. Gonna go to the backside, bro. Let's go. Let's get to it, man. Yes, sir. I like it. Let's go. Jeez, yeah, y'all. So this like our third spot, dog, on me. Second spot, I ain't get no footage, man. See the red eye looking crazy. Got a brand new 21 Scat. This gotta be a 21 Scat, man. Oh yeah, this stuff crazy out there. Good action, yes sir. Free smoke, man. Free smoke, man. Boy's going stupid out there, man. Come on, man. Free smoke, man. Come on, man. Them boys got the whips out. Got the weed out. You know, Colorado, man. Marijuana legal, man. So got a Camaro SS cam. Sound like it's cam. Got a what, 350 or 370Z. This thing right here be sliding too. Got the RT. This thing be sliding, y'all. What else be sliding? That thing right there be sliding. Shout out Free Smoke, man. Boys giving out free smoke, man. Free smoke. Boys giving out free smoke, man. Trying not to get copyrighted out here, man. Boys going stupid, McNooping out here, man. Hear me? Boys out here sliding that bit. Sheesh. Yeah, them boys out here, man. It's fire though, for real. It's been fire, dog. Fire. That damn Shelby Mustang. Yeah, that bit was sliding all night. Oh, boys popping firecrackers out here too. Sheesh. I think he did. I think so. What's up, man? Chilling, brother. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know if he blew his tire, but that bit was spitting some little sparks or whatever, man. So yeah, content good out here, man. Content is good out here, CEEFAM. Comment down below, man. What y'all think about the content so far, bro? This bit crazy, dog. Man, I gotta see what the hype about, man. I gotta see what's going on with the damn tire, man. What happened? What's she talking about? Blew that bitch. Blew that thing, man. Blew that thing, man. Boy, sliding too hard. Sliding too much, man. Boy, blowing tires and shit out here, boy. It's crazy, man. Oh, yeah. Got a BMW. I'm not sure what kind of BMW this is. And you got an Audi. The Audi been killing everybody off the line, man. People ask me if I want to dig, but I ain't got the tires or nothing like that, y'all. So we'll see, though. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on, boy. That BMW's about to take off, though, boy. Boy, it's finna take off, man. Yes, sir. Boy, it's trying to run, man. Yeah, it's Colorado, man. Them boys out here running, though. Yeah, I got you. It's all good. No, I'm good. Thank you, though, for sure. I don't know who won that. It look even. I don't know, though. I don't know it. Jeez. I think that the Audi got the W, but BMW was on the takeoff, but the Audi got the W, I think, man. Got a Camaro SS versus an Audi, man. Now you good, brother? Jeez. Trying to get to it right quick, man. Yeah, that damn Audi be. Yeah, I know. That damn Audi be taking off, boy. That damn Audi was just too much, man. Audi lighter too, probably, so. Boys out here running, man. Oh. Little lights like Camaro SS, man. Boys out here running, man. It's like my first time y'all popping out, man.